Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Ford 6.7 POWERSTROKE engine is Ford's in-house designed and produced diesel engine for its Super Duty line of trucks, F250, F350, F450, F550. Introduced in 2011, it replaced the controversial 6.0L and 6.4L POWERSTROKEs, which were products of a partnership with Navistar. The 6.7, codenamed Scorpion due to its unique valley-mounted turbocharger, marked a significant shift for Ford, aiming for improved reliability, power, and efficiency. History and versions. First generation, 2011 to 2014. Initial output, 390 horsepower and 735 lb-ft of torque. Mid-2011 update, increased to 400 horsepower and 800 lb-ft. Used a Honeywell dual-boost turbo with ceramic ball bearings, early models, and a Garrett GT32 SST VGT turbo, which experienced some issues with overspeeding and soot buildup. Second generation, 2015 to 2019. Significant power bumps, 440 horsepower and 860 lb-ft in 2015, 440 horsepower and 925 lb-ft in 2017, 450 horsepower and 935 lb-ft in 2018. Addressed early turbocharger issues with a more robust design and steel ball bearings. Third generation, 2020 present. Further power increases, 475 horsepower and 1,050 lb-ft for standard output. High output, HO, versions reaching up to 500 horsepower and 1,200 lb-ft of torque. Introduced a new injection pump, replacing the Bosch CP 4.2, which was prone to failure in earlier models. Paired with the new 10R1 40-10-speed automatic transmission. Engine specifications, latest iterations. Type, 6.7, 406 CUN V8 turbo diesel. Construction, compacted graphite iron, CGI, block, aluminum cylinder heads. Valve train, overhead valve, OHV, with 4 valves per cylinder. Fuel system, high-pressure common rail direct injection with piezoelectric injectors, Bosch. Turbocharger, single sequential variable geometry turbocharger, VGT. Emissions control, diesel particulate filter, DPF, selective catalytic reduction, SCR, with diesel exhaust fluid, DEF, exhaust gas recirculation, EGR, and diesel oxidation catalyst, DOC. Reviews and opinions. The 6.7 POWERSTROKE is largely considered a success for Ford, especially compared to its predecessors. Positive. Immense power and torque. Consistently ranked among the most powerful heavy-duty diesel engines, offering incredible towing and hauling capabilities. Improved reliability. Generally far more reliable than the 6.0L and 6.4L POWERSTROKEs, leading to increased customer confidence. Refinement. Known for its relatively quiet operation and smooth power delivery for a heavy-duty diesel. Durability. Built to withstand demanding commercial and recreational use, with many owners reporting hundreds of thousands of miles with proper maintenance. Towing prowess. The engine's low-end torque and high horsepower make it exceptional for towing large trailers and heavy loads. Negative. Emissions system complexity. Like all modern diesels, the DPF, EGR, and SCR systems can be prone to issues, especially if the truck isn't driven hard enough to allow for DPF regeneration or if maintenance is neglected. These repairs can be costly. Initial cost and maintenance. The diesel option adds a significant premium to the truck's purchase price, and diesel-specific maintenance, fuel filters, DEF, specialized oil, is more expensive than gasoline alternatives. Weight. Adds considerable weight to the front end of the truck. Advantages. Unrivaled towing and hauling. This is where the 6.7 truly excels, allowing Super Duty trucks to handle massive trailers and payloads effortlessly. Exceptional torque delivery. Flat torque curve provides strong pulling power throughout the RPM range. Long-term durability. Designed for heavy-duty use, it's built to last when properly maintained. Good fuel economy. For its class, while not comparable to light-duty engines, it offers competitive fuel efficiency for a truck of its size and capability, especially when working under load. Disadvantages: emissions system failures. DPF, EGR cooler/valve, and NOx/EGT sensors are common failure points due to carbon buildup or sensor malfunction, leading to limp mode and expensive repairs. CP 4.2 fuel pump issues. 2011 to 2020 models, the Bosch CP 4.2 high-pressure fuel pump was a known weak point. When it fails, it can send metal debris throughout the entire fuel system, requiring costly replacement of injectors, fuel lines, rails, and the tank. Ford switched to a different pump design for 2020-plus models. Turbocharger issues. Early models, as mentioned, early 2011 to 2014 turbos had some overspeeding and ceramic bearing issues, largely addressed in later versions. Radiator leaks. Early models, some 2011 models experienced radiator leaks. Injector failures. While less common than in previous power strokes, fuel injector failures can still occur, often linked to fuel quality or contaminants. Exhaust manifold cracking can occur due to high temperatures and stress. Fuel consumption. Fuel economy for the 6.7 Power Stroke varies greatly with driving conditions, load, and driver habits. There are no official EPA ratings for heavy-duty trucks due to their gross vehicle weight. However, common real-world figures reported by owners are: unloaded highway, 15 to 20 mpg, US, with some reporting slightly higher under ideal conditions. Mixed driving, 13 to 17 mpg, US. Towing/hauling can drop significantly to 8 to 12 mpg, US, or even lower depending on the weight and aerodynamics of the load. Timing. The Ford 6.7 Power Stroke engine uses a timing chain. Timing chains are designed to be lifetime components, meaning they typically do not require regular replacement like timing belts. However, they can stretch, or components like tensioners or guides can wear out over very high mileage, which might necessitate replacement. Oil type. The 6.7 Power Stroke requires diesel engine oil that meets Ford-specific specifications. For most applications, this means an oil meeting Ford WSS M2C171 F1. SAE 10W 30 Super Duty diesel motor oil is generally recommended for normal usage. SAE 5W 40 full synthetic diesel motor oil, or SAE 15W 40 Super Duty diesel motor oil, are recommended for severe operations or when using biodiesel fuel blends, up to B20. Some owners opt for 5W 40 synthetic regardless, due to its perceived benefits in extreme conditions or for extended drain intervals, especially in severe duty applications. Capacity. 2011 to 2022 models, approximately 13 quarts, 12.3 liters. 2023 plus models, capacity increased to around 16 to 17 quarts, January 15th, 16 liters. Maintenance, strict adherence to recommended oil and fuel filter change intervals, typically 10,000 miles or as indicated by the truck's monitoring system, or more frequently under severe duty, is paramount for the longevity and health of the 6.7 Power Stroke. Using high-quality, spec-compliant oil is crucial due to the extreme pressures and temperatures within a modern diesel engine. Overall review. The Ford 6.7 Power Stroke is largely seen as a triumphant return for Ford in the heavy-duty diesel segment after the challenges of the 6.0L and 6.4L. It delivers immense power and torque, excellent towing capabilities, and improved reliability. While it's not immune to issues, particularly with its complex emissions system and the CP 4.2 fuel pump in earlier versions, it is considered a very robust and durable engine when properly maintained. For those who need serious truck capability, the 6.7 Power Stroke remains a top choice. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the Automotive Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.